In this video, Azah and I will show you how to make this simple, healthy recipe for chewy granola bars. Hello everyone, this is Neme and I'm here with my youngest daughter, Azah. And today we are going to be making what? Granola bars. So we're trying to make a healthy snack for Bongta and Bine, who are our tennis athletes. And we came across a couple of recipes. This one is super simple. It is healthy. I had the girls choose what they want in their granola bars, and Azah has volunteered to help make them. Right, Azah? Mm-hmm. So this is going to be quick and easy. You ready? Uh-huh. All right. So Azah, we're going to make this granola bar, and you always start with your oats. You remember this is what we use for oatmeal. And so we have 3 cups of toasted oats, and I just put them on a baking sheet, and it was 350 degrees for about 10 minutes in the oven, and we prefer how they taste toasted. Yeah. And what do we have here? A bunch of different nuts, right, Azah? Do you know what kind of nuts these are? These here are your walnuts. These are almonds. And these are pecans. Okay? And you remember we toasted these the same time when we toasted our oatmeal. All right. What are these?
Raisins.
Cranberries and raisins. So we have a cup of that and a cup of what?
Chocolate.
So chocolate chips. And we have a half cup of
Syrup.
honey.
Honey.
You can use syrup, so you can use agave or sweetener if you're going vegan. And what is this? Some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Half cup of peanut butter. And
with
so
nuts.
yeah, the nuts are over there. So let's show everyone the first thing we want to do, okay, Azah? So you have your spoons here. You're going to hold this one because we want to put 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm actually just going to unscrew this. And I'll let you turn it. Let me measure it and you'll put it in, okay? So we want to make sure we're doing some justice here. There we go. We love cinnamon, so put it all in. Turn it in there. Nice. And now we're going. Smells good, I know. Now we're going to use a half teaspoon for our salt. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. Not quite, but yeah, you can put that in. Very nice. And we're going to use, now that doesn't smell much at all. We're going to use another teaspoon of our vanilla. Right? So typically we want to mix our liquids together. So I'm just going to put this down for now. And we're going to mix up our dry ingredients here.
Then how are we going to mix up?
We should get a spatula. Let's keep mixing, just keep mixing. And Mama's going to put all those nuts in there. These are chopped, and the almonds are silvered, but the rest of them are chopped. You can make them as big or small as you want. So yeah, good job, Azah. Just toss, toss, toss. And then now we're going to put our chocolate chip. You want to put the chocolate chip in? Yeah. Yeah, the girls will like that. Now we're going to put our raisins and cranberries. Yes. Awesome. And we're going to mix it up again. Mix, mix, mix.
The girls are going to like this.
Are you one of the girls who are going to like this?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so now that we've tossed it all around.
That's not good like it because he don't like peanuts.
Oh, that doesn't know good stuff. There are no peanuts in here though. Remember we put almonds, We put
But is that peanut stuff?
almonds. They're kind of, but not quite. They're a nut. And then we put pecans
Maybe
and
you don't
walnuts.
like nuts.
So now we're going to go to our stovetop because we need to warm up our honey with our peanut butter and we'll add our vanilla to it. All right, you ready?
Okay.
Let's head over to the stovetop. So now we're at the stovetop, Azah and I. And the first thing we're going to put in here is our honey.
Honey.
So this is your half cup. Let me do it just because of the reach. Okay, and then you'll put in, there you go. So we have our honey.
Yeah, it looks like new. Yes.
New is honey in Quentin, right?
New.
Yeah, looks like new.
New.
And so now that we've gotten our honey in here, you are going to add our vanilla. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll pour it and you'll turn it in. Bring your hand. Want to help me? Perfect. Thank you. Ooh, do you smell that, Azah? So now is our peanut butter. If you want to hold it, I'll scoop it out. Come on, peanut butter. It's always super sticky. So they get good protein from
Peanuts.
Protein is good for athletes, growing kids.
But
good for adults too.
Azah don't like it.
He doesn't like peanuts.
Yeah, but he have to eat peanuts.
Azah, do you feel like this is getting watery?
And it's gonna be yummy.
It's gonna be yummy.
Yummy in my
I'm
tummy.
just gonna keep stirring. You wanna go ahead and stir it? Stir, stir, stir. Yeah, thank you. Good job.
That's the peanut butter.
Very nice. It's almost there, Azah. I'm gonna show everyone what this looks like. We gotta move it closer. So it's very watery. It's liquidy. So we don't want anything to burn, right? But it's not a whole ton. We're just gonna move it now to.
It's watery.
Now we're gonna go to our nuts and put it in there. You ready? Okay. We are back and now we're gonna put this in here.
Ooh.
Smells like peanuts.
Mama, are we gonna mix it up?
Yes, we're gonna mix it up and then we're gonna put it in a pan and we're gonna put it in the fridge. And
we have to wait.
We have to wait because it's gonna take between 15, maybe even up to 30 minutes to get hard. See how Mama's mixing it up now? Yeah. So you see it's looking sticky.
Even when you touch it, you are sticky.
Yes, you get sticky.
And you don't want to get sticky.
Oh, I kind of want it sticky because I want a nice granola bar.
Yeah.
So some of our chocolate looks like it's melting just a little bit from that heat. And that is a-okay.
It's gonna be yummy.
Chocolatey. All the E's, right? Okay. So now we're going to put it...
put it in the oven?
Nope. This one we put in the fridge because we're making bars. But if we were making like crunchy, chunky granola, we would put it in the oven and kind of dry it out some. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So
But it's gonna be so yummy.
It is. Let's put this now in our container. So we're going to go ahead and line our granola on the pan.
I thought we were gonna bend it down.
Yes, it's always going to obey gravity.
It's gonna be yummy.
I know. You already tasted it. I saw you sneaking it. So you see
Well, I was sneaking, but I didn't taste it. I didn't taste 2 tries. I tried to take 2 tries.
You only tasted it 1 time?
Yeah, I tried to do it twice.
You tried to do it twice, but not quite. Okay. So now we're gonna mash this down. And that's really how thick our bars are gonna be.
And it's gonna be healthy.
It is gonna be healthy. You've got all these nuts just hanging out, waiting for you.
Waiting for you to eat them.
Mm-hmm.
But then have to go to the fridge.
The nuts? What do they have to do?
Yes, the nuts said that.
Press this down. So it's gonna go in the fridge. Some people put it in the freezer, but we can put it in the fridge. And it's gonna go in the fridge for how long? We said at least 15 minutes.
At least 15
Up to 30 minutes.
Up to 40 minutes.
30. And if you put it in the freezer, it doesn't take as long, so it's faster. All right, honey, you ready? Let's put this in the fridge, and then we will come back after 30 minutes and see what our bars look like.
It's gonna be yummy.
I know it's gonna be good. All super excited for some granola. Say, you ready to taste? Yeah. All right.
Oh, yummy. Yummy. I was just line. You see a line.
So here's our granola. And we put it on that parchment paper because we want it to be super easy to take out and sample. So this is what our granola looks like.
Yummy.
You want to try it, Azah? Welcome back. So now we're just going to chop it up into bars and it will be ready for game day.
What does bars look like?
What do the bars look like? Well, we can decide how big we want them. You see what Mama is doing here? That way we can package them up to be a nice snack for Bongta and Binay tomorrow on the tennis court. Okay. Actually, I'm going to chop off this piece because you like it so much. You can have that much. Okay. Super simple. Right, Azah? So, Binay, you get a chance to taste these. So the granola bars.
It's chewy. And you can taste the peanut butter and the chocolate and the raisins.
So you're looking forward to having that later on today.
And this is one of the bars I like the most because I have a sweet tooth, so I like more sweet stuff than nuts.
You can see it's quite chocolatey brown. Can you break off a piece so we see how, nice and soft and not hard as a rock like the store-bought can be sometimes, right? All right. Well, I think we should thank Azah for putting this together.
For making this delicious.
And I think we'll be doing more of these often.
Bye.
So if you like what you see, share, comment, subscribe. This is Namae with Family Travel Africa. Azah has run off. I have lost my sous chef. Until next time. Bye-bye.
I hope you like my video. Yes, you do. Subscribe.